So this video popped up on my feed the other day claiming that the mRNA vaccine for COVID is causing male infertility. It shows a guy from the McCullen Foundation, Mr. Huschler, saying that this study proves it.
They looked at sperm donors, and they looked before the shot. They had normal sperm, healthy sperm. And then they looked a few months after, 6 months after. So there was about 15% less sperm concentration after the injection, right? So it's literally, it's reducing the sperm counts. It's reducing sperm motility.
Like, great. We already got chemicals in the water and microplastics that are causing male infertility. Now we got to deal with this? No, thank you. So I tracked down the study to see for myself, and here's what I found. The researchers followed a group of male sperm donors for 6 months. Why 6 months? Because spermogenesis, or the creation of sperm, takes about 3 months from start to finish. And the researchers wanted to study 2 cycles to see if there were any changes between the cycles, right after vaccination and right after this first cycle. And yes, they did see a temporary dip in sperm count right after vaccination during the first spermiogenesis cycle. But then the sperm count fully recovered by the next cycle. And this wasn't really a surprise. Basically, any immune response, whether it's a result of a virus or a bacterial infection, is expected to cause the male sperm count to decline temporarily and then recover. And this is because your body is trying to fight off an infection and isn't concentrating on sperm production. And this has been known over 20 years, as demonstrated in this paper right here. Here's what the authors themselves said. We believe the systematic immune response is more reasonable explanation for the temporary concentration decline. So, because a vaccine activates your immune response to train it against a virus, we should see a lowering in the sperm count temporarily and then recover. And what's strange about this, and really bothers me, is just like in my last video about myocarditis, Mr. Huschler has chosen to focus on the scary part. You notice he didn't even mention the recovery after 6 months during the second spermogenesis cycle. And this was a central finding of the paper. Without that context, his audience is left with a very different understanding of what the paper actually concluded. Again, he read the same papers I read, and yet he chose to leave out key details of this research. Why?